FLY is on a bid to recover the post-IPO losses that has been in place up till Thursday, if not even up to Thursday, the 2nd of October. Yeah, it is currently, as you can see, up 16.95%. This is Monday, the 6th of October, 2025. As things stand right now, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have. Well, 49. Okay, beginning from the least, we have 36.30, 40.22, 42.63, 49.68. Yeah, these are the projections right now. And let's see what we have. Price pressure momentums, especially only on the 10 period moving average, robustly trending. However, the 21 period moving average is still underwater, not trending yet, still very much bearish. 17%, really not that a lot as such, but it's better than nothing. The derivative on the trending 10 period moving average, the derivatives are also severely bearish, indicating that in the midst of this modest trend it has shown, selling is also immense. Selling pressure is there. Short sellers are, mounting pressure to reverse the trend. But a couple of things are going on. Let's listen to what's going on.
Rocket Firefly Aerospace to acquire SciTec in $855 million deal, expanding its defense and space intelligence footprint. US-based defense and space technology company Firefly Aerospace has announced that it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire SciTec, a privately held firm specializing in data analytics, space domain awareness, and intelligence systems, in a deal valued at approximately $855 million. The acquisition marks a major strategic move for Firefly, which only recently made its public market debut, signaling its intent to broaden beyond launch services into the higher margin, data driven side of the defense and space sector. Why SciTech? A strategic expansion into space intelligence. SciTech has built a strong reputation as a key defense contractor, providing advanced sensor data processing, artificial intelligence solutions, and situational awareness tools to U.S. government agencies, including the Department of Defense and NASA. By acquiring SciTech, Firefly aims to enhance its presence in defense and national security markets, leveraging SciTech's deep government relationships, integrate intelligence and analytics capabilities with its existing launch and spacecraft operations, offering a more complete end to end solution spanning space access, data collection, and analysis. This move positions Firefly closer to the likes of Rocket Lab and Palantir, both of which have aggressively pursued the defense intelligence niche through data integration and government partnerships. Deal structure and market reaction. While full transaction details weren't disclosed, the deal's $855 million valuation reflects SciTech's strong backlog and recurring government business. Analysts note that the acquisition could significantly expand Firefly's total addressable market, particularly in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) applications. However, with Firefly still operating at a loss and recently posting declining revenue and widening quarterly losses, some investors are questioning whether the company can absorb such a large acquisition without overextending its balance sheet. Others, however, see the move as a bold but necessary evolution for Firefly, allowing it to capture a bigger share of the growing defense tech ecosystem amid rising U.S. government spending on space based monitoring and AI driven data fusion. Strategic implications. The acquisition effectively transforms Firefly from a launch and lunar services provider into a vertically integrated defense space intelligence company. Together, Firefly and SciTech could offer launch services for military payloads, lunar and satellite delivery capabilities, and real time data analytics and mission intelligence, all under one roof. This vertical integration mirrors the broader industry shift toward combining hardware, launch and satellites, with software and data analytics, a strategy designed to appeal to major government clients seeking comprehensive, secure, US based solutions. Big picture. If successfully executed, the SciTec acquisition could prove transformative for Firefly Aerospace, reinforcing its credibility as a serious player in both the commercial space and national security arenas. That said, execution risk remains high, particularly in integrating SciTech's complex defense software operations into Firefly's hardware centric culture. Investors will be watching closely for regulatory clearance and timeline to close the deal, integration plans and cost synergies, and updates on how the acquisition affects Firefly's near term cash flow and earnings trajectory. Bottom line, Firefly's $855 million deal for SciTech signals an ambitious new chapter, one that could redefine it as not just a launch company, but a full spectrum defense and space intelligence powerhouse. The question now is whether Firefly can balance its high growth ambitions with financial discipline as it continues its journey from startup to serious space defense contender.
Okay, so we have now applied the market grid. Grid will give us the it will give us high prices and low prices. Just give us a range of prices the stock is has potential to trade within. So we have here 33.83. The current price is 32.12. Just a fractional premium to the current price. So 33.83 below that, 33.46. So the stock is currently trading at I see in between the resistance or the support zones, just looking neutral. On this 1 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract and remain that way half an hour into the trading session, into the open of today's into the open of today's trading session, and then after that the uptrend may resume. No guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's what's going on. The stock is currently on the move, but hasn't really printed a huge amount of gains. That can be positive. By the time the market opens, it may attract. It may go ahead and print more. It may go ahead and print higher prices. Yeah. Currently not volatile at the moment as things stand right now, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, and sorry, look at this intraday high as of the 22nd of September was $53. So this is on top of all those projections you had earlier on. Okay, so one more time, thank you very much for watching this video.